it's Dr. Selfridge. In this tutorial, we're going to play along with another video from the great YouTube channel called Saxplained. Make sure you check them out and subscribe to them. We're going to play this song. It's the theme song from Gravity Falls. So the first thing I'm going to do is teach you all the notes that you need for this song. If you already know these notes, you can skip ahead to the first phrase. So the first note that we need is an A. It's in the second space of the staff. To play A on alto sax, we have just first finger and second finger on the first two home keys. That's an A. Then we're just going to continue up the scale. The next note higher than A is on the middle line. It's called a B. And to play a B, we simply lift up our second finger from A, and now we have a B. The next note is a C. It's in the space above the B. To play a C on sax, we take our B finger and lift it up, and we press down our second finger by itself, and that makes the note C. Continuing up our scale, we go to the next line above C, and that's a D. So to play a D, we have to put down some more fingers. We have to put down our thumb on the octave key in the back, and we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that is how we play a D. Next we have an E. It's in the space above a D. Just lift up your bottom finger here, and we have thumb on the octave key, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is our note E. Just a few more notes to go. We were on E with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We're going to lift up our bottom finger and go to F on the next line. Then we go above the staff, the line that sits on top of the staff, that's a G. Just take your F fingering and lift up your first finger on the bottom hand, and now we have a high G. Then the final note we need for this song is a G sharp. It's when we put that sharp symbol in front of the G note. All we have to do is play our high G note, octave key 1, 2, 3, and we add our left hand pinky pressing down the G sharp key, and that's G sharp. Now let's learn the song phrase by phrase. We're going to break it down into smaller parts, 4 measures at a time, and I also slowed down the playback on YouTube here so we can practice it at a slower speed. So let's start with phrase 1, the first 4 measures. As the notes go by, we're going to name the notes. Here we go. A, B, C, E, D, E, G. Okay, let's try playing phrase 1. Now let's name the notes for phrase 2, the next 4 measures. A, B, C, B, D, E, D, C. Okay, let's play it. Now let's check out the next 4 measures and name the notes. C, 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 E, E, D, C, rest, E, 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 D, E, D, C. That gets a little bit quicker because we're on quarter notes, so if you need to slow it down even more, go ahead and slow down the tempo a little bit further until you feel like you can play the notes smoothly. Let's try playing this phrase. Okay, the next phrase, the next 4 measures, is kind of similar to what we just did, but a little bit different. So let's name the notes. Here we go. Rest, C, 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 E, E, D, C, rest, E, 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 rest, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp. Kind of hard to say that G sharp that quickly on those quarter notes. Let's try playing this next phrase. And at the end, we have that G sharp note, octave key 1, 2, 3, and the pinky. We've reached the final phrase of the song, and this one's going to be 5 measures long. It's very similar to what we just played, just a little bit longer. Okay, let's name the notes. Here we go. Rest, C, 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 E, E, D, C, rest, F, 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 D, G, E, G sharp. That's the end of the song. Let's try playing that phrase, and then we'll try playing the whole thing. Let's put all those phrases together and try playing this complete song from beginning to end, and we'll play at our slower tempo. Now let's put it all together and we'll try the whole song from beginning to end at our faster tempo. Okay, folks, that was our tutorial for Gravity Falls theme song. Again, we were using the play along from this really great channel called Saxplained. Go check out their channel and subscribe to them. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the Dr. Selfridge music channel, please become a subscriber and follow us for all of our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.